Hey guys, this is Edin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for Leonardo AI for early access, step by step. Welcome back. As we said, today we have something very exciting to talk about. Have you ever heard of the revolutionary new artificial intelligence platform called Leonardo AI? Well, if you haven't, you are in for a treat. Don't worry, in this quick tutorial we're gonna be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for an early access to this amazing platform. That being said, let's dive in. But before we start, have a look with me at these amazing images that were generated in the blink of an eye with this platform, Leonardo AI. Isn't it amazing? Well, that's for sure. Now let's get started with the sign-up process. First of all, you need to head on to the Leonardo AI website. You will find all the links below in the description box, or you check in our website Raqmedia.com. The first step is to head on to the links below. This will redirect you to the Leonardo AI website homepage. Next, we click on the Get Early Access button. A pop-up window will appear and you will need to enter your email address. If you don't have one, just go and create any one with the gmail.com. It's super easy and fast. Then hit the Count Me In button. After you have entered your email, a window like this one should appear. This means that you have to wait for at least 24 hours before you receive a welcoming email to open your Leonardo AI platform. While you wait, it's necessary to join the Discord community to introduce yourself to be accepted. Click on the Join Discord button and you will be sent to the official Discord window. But before this, you need to log in into your Discord account if you haven't one. Otherwise, create one before hitting the join. Otherwise, create one when you join. Here I have one, so I just log in. Good. Now let's return back to and as you can see here, the box of your username has disappeared, and now you just hit accept invite. Hit it. And voila, you have joined the Discord of Leonardo AI. Just select the languages you speak. Next, hit next. Next, you will select why do you want to use Leonardo AI. So to have fun, create game assets, or create art. You will know the number of people. Almost we have 700 or 800 people in common. Select create art and hit next. We'll just accept the agreements. Accept, hit them to accept and click on next. Here are the rules and finish. And voila, now you are in the Discord group and you start creating your art. Before your account be activated, adhere or go through all the different steps. At getting started, just hit at the top in here. Getting started. As you can see here, we are in step 2 of 5 and they are checked. So make sure they are checked. So check all of them. Right. It is slow, just be patient. As you know, there is a lot of overload on the system. Well, now you are redirected to the creation paint. These are some of the generated arts.
www.raqmedia.com.
And that's it, guys. Now you are a member of the Leonardo AI community, and you just need to make a few more steps to be accepted in the early access platform. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. The next tutorial should be showing you how to use Leonardo AI to generate images and create your own art for free. Till then, this is your host Zedin. Peace. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.